Hello friends, welcome to the wonderful session of reasoning. Today in this session we will be discussing the topic coded equations. Now this topic is very much confusing and being asked in your examinations every time. Now what will happen in this particular topic, right? You will be every time you will be given an equation where you have to solve, and there will be certain set of logics which will be twisted in twisted form. Like the examination would be giving you, if plus means multiply, minus means divide, divide means plus, and multiply means minus, then you have to solve a particular set of equation given to you based on these logics. Now every time you have to convert your equation according to these set of instructions, and you have to follow a rule called BODMAS. Now this particular rule you have learnt it in your school time, right? What is BODMAS? B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for divide, or you can say division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, sorry, there is one more S, this would not come, right? And S stands for subtraction, right? Now make sure about that this particular rule BODMAS, you have to follow it from left to right. First you will be solving any bracket that is present in your equation, then you will be solving the off word, right? That is, if it is present in your equation, then there would be divide, then multiply, then add, and then subtract, right? Subtract would be the last one. So there is not very much of a theory in this particular topic. Let's understand this topic by some practice questions. So here it is my first question given to me, right, where I have to use the rule of BODMAS. Don't forget the rule of BODMAS. Every time you have to apply BODMAS, right? So this is my equation, and the instructions given to me is, in the given question, if plus means minus, what is the meaning of plus? Plus here it means minus. Multiply means divide. So anywhere if in the equation multiply is present, it means divide. Minus means plus and divide means multiply. Then we have to find the answer for this equation. So we know that minus, what is the meaning of minus? Minus means plus. So this equation will change into 1 plus 88. The numbers would not change, only the operators would change, right? Multiply means divide. So here in case of multiply we will be using the symbol for divide, and divide means multiply. So divide would be replaced by symbol of multiply, and now this would be my resultant equation where I have to follow the rule of BODMAS. So as I was telling you BODMAS, first it will be divide. So 88 divided by 8 would give me 1 plus this set of part. I will be solving only this set of part, right? Rest of the equations will remain same. So 1 plus 88 divided by 8 is going to give me 11 cross 3. Now second step would be multiply. So now I will be solving this set of equation. This part will remain same. So 1 plus 11 into 3 gives me 33, and lastly 1 plus 33 gives me 34. So in this set of equation there would be an answer 34. Let's change up this option to 34. So 34 would be the correct answer, right? Let's move on to the next question. Here the instructions given to me, if plus means multiply, minus means plus, multiply means divide and divide means minus. Then what would be the answer of this equation? So I will be changing this equation according to these set of instructions. Plus means multiply. So 6 plus 7 means 6 multiply 7. Multiply means divide. So this would be 7 divided by 3. Minus means plus. So 3 minus 8 would be 3 plus 8. And divide means minus. So 8 divide 20 is 8 minus 20. Now I will be solving this equation according to the rule of BODMAS. First there would be divide. So this equation will be 6 into 7 divided by 3 plus 8 minus 20. Now as I know I cannot divide 7 by 3, it is going to give me an answer in terms of decimal. So I would not be using decimal part because the options present over here does not contain a decimal. So do not divide 7 divided by 3 and write 2.1 something something. Right, what we will do is, when we know that in second step we will be doing the part of multiply. So when I will be solving this equation, I know that this is going to cut 2 times. So again I will be getting 2 into 7, 14 plus 8 minus 20. Now solving this equation, first there will be an addition. 14 plus 8 is going to give me 22 minus 20 is going to give me 2. So my answer here is 2. Option C. I hope you're getting the concept. Let's move on to the next question. Here in this question, if plus means minus, multiply means divide, minus means plus, and divide means multiply, then find out the answer for this. Now here we are given a bracket which will remain the same. Multiply means divide. So 95 divide by 19, and divide means multiply. So this divide is going to get changed into multiply. Now first of all I will be solving the bracket according to BODMAS. 95 divided by 19 is going to give me 5, and this will be 5 into 25. So my answer would be 125. This was a simpler question, right? Option C would be my answer. Let's move on to the next question. In this question, multiply stands for plus, divide stands for minus, plus stands for multiply, and minus stands for divide. Then I have to find out the solution for this. I will be changing this equation according to the instructions. Multiply stands for plus, so 20 multiply 8 would be 20 plus 8. Divide stands for minus, so 8 divided by 8 stands for 8 minus 8. Minus stands for divide, so 8 minus 4 would be 8 divided by 4, and plus stands for multiply, so 4 plus 2 will be 4 multiplied by 2. Now solving this equation according to the rule of BODMAS, first I will be solving this particular section. So rest of all equation would remain same. 20 plus 8, 8 divided by 4, 8 divided by 4 is going to give me 2 cross 2. Now next set of equation I will be solving multiply part. So 20 plus 8 minus 2 into 2 is 4. Now as I know, in the next part I have to add. So 20 plus 8 is going to give me 28 minus 4, and 28 minus 4 is 24. So option C would be my answer, right? So these were some set of logics that were according to coded equations. Please practice these equations, these set of logics, and try to get good score in your exams. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and keep smiling.